Okay, for this one, I've got a single acting cylinder. So let's, again, I'm just in the pneumatic section. Just gonna go find a single acting cylinder, but say I can't find it. Single acting cylinder with spring return, but I can't find it in there. Then I'm gonna select pneumatics. I'm gonna come up here and type in single acting cylinder, and that's where it comes up. It's two single acting cylinders, one with a spring, one without a spring, but my diagram has a spring. So I'm going to put up there. And what if I do want a different strength on that spring? If I double click on this cylinder, I can change the spring stiffness, K. So I can just click here and I can up it to maybe 5,000 newtons per meter spring stiffness. And then just hit enter and come out of the builder. So I just made my spring stronger there. That means it's harder for the air to extend the cylinder. And I have a flow meter just like before, variable throttle, we've seen that before, but now now we need this one, let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports in a box and 2 positions. So it's a 5-2 valve, a 5/2. So 5-port, 2-way. I'm in pneumatics, directional control valves in pneumatics. I've got some 5-2-way valves, 2 different types, but neither of them has the manual push button, but this one has a spring return, so it's closer. So let's pull it in. And we're connecting to that port. And it looks like we need a PG1. This is a plug on that port. So let's type in plug on the search menu. Let's click on pneumatics and flow lines. Looks like there's a plug there. It's really small, but yep, that looks the same, but it's upside down. Again, let's go to edit up here and go to position. Oh, we need to select this guy. Escape, select him. Let's go to position. Let's rotate it 90 degrees twice. There we go. And then we can pull it. And we can even just make a line there, leave it there. That's fine. Then we have some exhaust lines just like before. And if I hold control and select it, so I hold control down, I hover over the part and then I left click on it and drag to the side and it copies it. So I can use that to copy parts that are on the screen. Now I have this pressure source here, but I need a pressure indicator, I believe. So let's look at pressure, pneumatics, everything with the word pressure is a pressure gauge. So I had a pressure indicator before, this is a pressure gauge this time. We can drag it in and just hover that line right on, and we know it's connected when it has a dark filled box there. Tells me the pressure. And I almost forgot, we need to change the settings on this 5-2 valve, 5-2-way valves. So we need a manual button on the left, momentary button. And let's check our port. So it's plugged across from the center to the top left down. So that box looks correct. The right box looks the same as our diagram. If they're not the same, it won't work correctly. We also need to check our flow here. Our check ball has the seat, this angled part on the top, just like the diagram. Let's change this device, technical specs. We want a momentary button. So let's just delete that one. So I just clicked it and then I hit the delete button on the keyboard. Then let's double click this and looks not a pull button, but a push button. Push button on the left, spring return on the right. Looks good. Hit the check mark. Let's get out of that view. Now I have it correct. I have a single acting cylinder, all the pieces in place. Let's hit play, make sure it works. And this is a momentary button, so I have to hold it down. I hold it down and the cylinder extends. It gives me the pressures 10 bar, gives me the flow as it's flowing through the flow meter. If I let go, it comes back, it returns. Now, on Automation Studio, you can click directly on the boxes here if I need it to hold it down and not have my mouse hold it. So that's not changing the fact that it's a momentary button, but it's just that maybe I need to have other buttons I need to click in my simulation as I practice, as I build this circuit. And so this check mark is showing me that, hey, it's being held down right now. even though, remember, it's momentary. If I want to release that function, I go to the button and I click on the button.